Communication happens in different ways across the world. Often people don't understand what each other are saying. Sometimes you might have a special thing like a matrix to help translate what they are saying. So if we assign numbers like I've drawn to a letter, this is called, anyone know? Alright, so one way to develop a code is through a modulo. Alright? 2 divided by 7 is... So we have 42, 6 times 7, right? 45 is 6 times 7 plus 3. So we can write it as 45 with the 3 lines is 3 under mod 7. So this says we're dividing by 7. The remainder is 3. Okay? What's the point? So say you assign a letter or a number or something to the number 45, right? But you want to make it into a code. That 45 in your code is actually a 3. So how would the number 14 appear in modulo 3? Modulo 3.
2, 0 would be 0.
So you want the remainder to be 3.
So we just want the remainder. So what's a multiple of 3? 12. And what's the remainder? So it's 2 mod 3. Okay?
2 times 3 is 60.
So to get the number 2, we do 3 times a number. What's the number? 4. And we're adding 2. So the number is 2. That's the remainder. Okay? You can also do this for negative numbers.
Oh, goodness, my brain. Let me get my calculator.
200 equals 26 times something plus 18. Okay? So it's 18 mod 26. Alright? Times positive. How many 26s? Negative 2. And the remainder is still positive. Because it needs to be more than this number. So what's the positive remainder? Negative 26 is negative 52, yes? Plus 14. So this is still positive, this is still positive. You've just changed this to a negative. Okay? Alright, let's do negative 9. It's a lot easier than that one. Negative 9 equals positive 26 times just minus 1, nice and easy, plus 15, fusing. You can also do numbers to the power of negative 1, but I'm not going to worry about that one. That sounds correct. Mr. Hayward can't do simple addition. Can cipher a matrix or an encryption matrix. So the words help, H-E-L-P. So what would be the numbers associated with these? So let's put the H and the E in a column matrix. Okay? We then multiply these out. So 2 times 8 plus 5 really not with you. 1 times 12 plus 32. And this one, what's the remainder if we divide 44 by 26? We then assign those back because they're less than 26 now. We assign them back to a letter, 23, 22, I think it's U or V. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. I, N, R, right? So see how they're both R's?
Yeah.
The reason they're both R's is because when you pair the letters right, the letters, like the first letter affects the second letter. So even though that's an R, it's affected by the U. So when you decrypt it, that's not going to be the same letter because the letter in front of it's different. Does that make sense?
Why does that happen?
Because you're doing 2 letters at a time.